I've heard it several times from the snowbirds and other people too. They're saying, you know what? When I was a little guy, my dad took me to an air show, and now I'm a snowbird, or I'm now a CF-18 pilot. And of course, that's what the idea is for the military, to show themselves off and show how professional they are. They do a great job.
This is one of the most premier events in the area every single year. The air show kicks off the United Way campaign. The air show is complementary to the United Way because they both represent excellence, they both represent skill, they both represent team play, and we know that 1 in 3 people get serviced by the United Way, and you can't help but think that that's a good thing.
The B-52 is a huge American Air Force jet bomber. It's coming to our show, turning around and going back to North Dakota.
It was simply a matter of calling an Air Force base, which happened to be in Minot in North Dakota, and just asking them if they wouldn't mind doing a flyover. Once approved by the Air Force, Air Combat Command, you actually contact individual bases to arrange anything else. And it was that simple.
The air show is very important to Brantford because it's the introduction of the annual campaign for the United Way, and at least 20% of people in Brantford are touched by the service of the United Way. We're not actually aiming to make a lot of money at the air show, although we try to do so, and we do, but the idea is just to launch the campaign for the United Way.
My name is Captain Mark Verdier. I'm actually from Orillia, Ontario. So it's nice to be back in Brantford, which is close to my hometown. And I'm looking forward to performing tomorrow for people of Brantford in the area. Well, it's a smaller town, it's a smaller community, and it's actually more warm, if that makes sense. It's very personable. People get a chance to connect with us, and we get a chance to actually mingle with the folks, and it's just a fun time for everybody.